Good morning, children. Let us continue with lesson number 5, time. Today we will learn months of the year. Let us learn months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. They are: first month, January. First month, January. Second month, February. Second month, February. Third month, March. Third month, March. Fourth month, April. Fourth month, April. Fifth month, May. Fifth month, May. Sixth month, June. Sixth month, June. Seventh month, July. Seventh month, July. Eighth month, August. Eighth month, August. Ninth month, September. Ninth month, September. Tenth month, October. Tenth month, October. 11th month, November. 11th month, November. 12th month, December. 12th month, December. In 12 months, some months have 31 days, some have 30 days, and one month has 28 days. Months having 31 days. Months having 31 days. January, January. March, March. May, May. July, July. August, August. October, October. And December, and December. Months having 30 days. Months having 30 days. April, April. June, June. September, September. And November, and November. Month having 28 days. Month having 28 days. Only February. Only February. In a leap year, February has 29 days, and in other years it has 28 days. Let us learn number of days in a month. Let us learn number of days in a month. Easy way of remembering the number of days in a month. Fold your fingers in a fist as shown. Count the months of the year starting from the first knuckle, that is January on the knuckle, February in the dip, March again on the knuckle, and so on. All the months on the knuckles have 31 days. The months in the dip have 30 days. February is the only exception with 28 or 29 days. Learn and write one time. Tomorrow will be continue. Thank you, children.